This is a 236 major kerosene lamp, but it's kind of damaged up here quite a bit. Down here there's a big dent in the font, and then this is a tiny little crack right there. So that has to be fixed. And this big dent here, I'm not sure how I'm going to fix that, but we'll see what we can do. Not much left of this. So I tried straightening them a little bit, so I had to drill a hole in the bottom so I could get something in there to kind of straighten it. Now I'm going to clean this up good and fill this in to see how I can fix it up. There's also a crack right here that I gotta fix. Well, there you have it, my 236. It's working pretty good. Needs a new mantle, but that one got a hole in it. It should work. I just wanted to try out the vent caps. I put some very high heat paint on here, and it's got ceramic in it apparently. So I'm just testing it out to see if it's going to work. And it seems to be, it's been going for about half an hour now, and it seems to be working. I just put the vent cap on loosely just to try it out. But there's really a lot of heat coming off the top of that. But we'll let her go again for a little while and see how it works. Well, it's been going for about an hour here, and it's still, paint is still seems to be pretty good, but being outside, it only shows about 250 degrees Fahrenheit on top of there. But it's fairly cool outside. It's only about 40 degrees, 45 degrees Fahrenheit outside, so it's fairly cool, but I might bring it inside and see how much heat it's going to produce up here. It's coming up a little bit more, but it's sure a little over 250 degrees. Well, I brought it inside my little shop here and let it go for another half an hour, and now the temperature is up to almost 500 degrees, not quite, about 500, 460, 70, but very close to 500 degrees. And the paint still seems to be holding well. So I think this will probably work. Looks like it'll work. So that's my 236 that was all dented up. Over here I fixed it all up and I got it working. Now it's reached 500. I think that looks like as high as it's going to go. Sure seems to work okay.